In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay video on a product page using Shopify, which is especially handy if you're just starting out. This feature can enhance the user experience on your website by making product pages more interactive and engaging, which is a big step towards boosting your sales. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Products section of your Shopify admin panel. This is where you'll manage all your product listings. If you're adding a new product, go ahead and click on Add Products. You'll see a clean, easy-to-use interface where you can input all the necessary information for your product listing. Begin by entering a compelling title for your product. The title should be clear and descriptive, capturing the essence of what you're offering. Next, you'll need to craft a well-structured description. This is your chance to highlight the main features and benefits of your product, so be creative and informative. Remember, a good description not only informs, but also entices your potential customers to make a purchase. Now, once you have the title and description in place, it's time to integrate your video. This is a critical part of the process since video content can significantly enhance customer engagement. You'll need the HTML link for your video. If you haven't already uploaded your video to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you'll want to do that first as they will provide you with the HTML link you need. Once you have this link, return to your product description section and embed the HTML code. This process involves pasting the HTML link directly into the description box. Be sure to switch to the HTML edit mode within the Shopify editor to do this. By embedding the video here, you ensure that it will play automatically when someone visits the product page. After embedding your link, it's time to add any other media you might want to include with your listing. This could be product photos, additional videos, or anything else that would enrich the customer's viewing experience. High-quality images and videos are essential because they serve as a customer's first impression of your product and your brand. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your hard work is not lost. After saving, navigate back to your product page to see the autoplay feature in action. Ensure that everything looks as expected and that the video seamlessly enhances the overall presentation of your product. And there you have it. Your product page is now equipped with an engaging autoplay video. This dynamic addition can catch the eye of your site visitors, potentially converting them to customers by demonstrating your product's value in a vivid, captivating way. So, take advantage of this method and optimize your Shopify store for better user engagement and higher sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!